Are you ready to wake up in a bedroom that's not just stylish, but feels like a work of art? Mid-century modern design has the power to transform any bedroom into a serene and chic haven. With its clean lines, timeless furniture, and effortless elegance, this design style is perfect for anyone looking to blend vintage charm with modern simplicity. In today's video, we'll share easy tips to give your bedroom a mid-century modern makeover. From iconic furniture to bold accents, we've got you covered. Let's get started and bring that timeless elegance into your space. Welcome to the Design Lounge. Have you ever wondered how to create a bedroom that's both stylish and serene? Mid-century modern design might be the answer. With its clean lines, functional beauty, and iconic charm, this timeless style has a way of transforming ordinary bedrooms into spaces that are as chic as they are comfortable. Whether you're redecorating or starting from scratch, today's video will walk you through simple tips to achieve a mid-century modern bedroom makeover. Let's dive in. Mid-century modern design is all about balance and simplicity. Start with clean, straight lines in your furniture and decor. The style favors geometric shapes, creating a streamlined and clutter-free look that promotes relaxation and calm. Think furniture with tapered legs, low profiles, and functional designs that prioritize comfort without sacrificing style. Natural materials are essential in a mid-century bedroom. Wood, particularly walnut or teak, adds warmth and character to the space. Pair these with metal or glass accents to create an aesthetic that feels both organic and modern. Remember, less is more. Every piece should serve a purpose while contributing to the overall harmony of the room. Furniture is the cornerstone of a mid-century modern bedroom. Start with a bed frame that features a sleek, low-profile design. A wooden bed with tapered legs or a simple platform bed is a classic choice. Pair it with nightstands that have clean lines, smooth finishes, and functional drawers. Look for designs in walnut or teak to stay true to the style. Dressers and wardrobes should also reflect the mid-century aesthetic. Opt for pieces with minimal hardware and smooth, unembellished surfaces. If you're mixing vintage and modern, ensure the proportions align for a cohesive look. Don't forget functionality. Furniture in this style isn't just beautiful, it's designed to meet your practical needs. A well-chosen color palette can elevate your mid-century modern bedroom to the next level. Start with a base of neutral tones, like white, beige, or soft gray for walls, and larger furniture pieces. These hues create a calm and inviting foundation that highlights the natural materials and clean lines of the furniture. To add personality, incorporate bold accent colors like mustard yellow, burnt orange, teal, or olive green. These can be introduced through throw pillows, bedding, rugs, or even a statement chair. The key is to use these colors sparingly. Let them pop against the neutral backdrop without overwhelming the space. This balance of subtle and bold tones is what makes the mid-century palette so timeless. Lighting is a game changer when it comes to creating the perfect mid-century modern bedroom. Statement pieces like globe pendant lights or tripod floor lamps add a sculptural element to the space while providing ample illumination. Bedside lamps with clean lines and metallic or ceramic bases can also double as decor, blending form and function seamlessly. Layering is essential for setting the right mood. Combine ambient lighting with task lighting for reading or bedside activities. For a cozy and inviting ambiance, consider installing dimmer switches or using warm-toned LED bulbs. Large windows with sheer curtains can maximize natural light during the day, creating an airy and uplifting atmosphere. Accessories are where you can truly make your mid-century modern bedroom feel unique. Start with wall art, geometric prints, abstract paintings, or retro-inspired posters are excellent choices. Keep the frames simple and cohesive, opting for wood or metal to complement the furniture. Textiles also play a significant role in adding character. Layer your bed with cozy throw blankets, bold patterned cushions, and a statement area rug. Choose patterns that reflect the era, such as chevrons or abstract shapes, while ensuring they don't overpower the overall aesthetic. Keep decor minimal and purposeful. Each accessory should contribute to the room's cohesive, stylish vibe. Plants are a simple yet effective way to breathe life into your mid-century modern bedroom. Opt for low-maintenance greenery like snake plants, rubber plants, or fiddle leaf figs. Place them in sleek ceramic or metal planters that match your room's aesthetic. A small potted plant on the nightstand, or a tall one in a corner, can create a fresh and inviting vibe. Textures add warmth and depth to your bedroom. Layer materials like wool, jute, and linen in the form of throw pillows, rugs, and bedding. Pair these natural textures with smoother elements like polished wood or metal furniture to achieve a harmonious contrast. This combination of greenery and textures ensures your bedroom feels both cozy and stylish. Now that you know how to create a chic mid-century modern bedroom, it's time to bring these ideas to life. Start with the basics: clean-lined furniture, a balanced color palette, and thoughtful lighting. Then, add your personal touch with bold accessories, lush greenery, and layered textures. The result will be a space that's both timelessly elegant and uniquely yours. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Design Lounge, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest interior design inspiration. Share your bedroom makeover stories in the comments below. We'd love to feature your transformations in a future video.